Welcome back to another edition of Gareth's Unboxings. Today, you're gonna find out what I got. I've been waiting for this one for like a week because it was a bank holiday, so I had to wait for that to come up, get over, and then they had to pause there. So let's see what I got. Try and get it over. Well packed. Loads of bubble wrap. And here we have it. Is the 2017 Emerald City Comic Con exclusive, and it's Emerald City Crusader, and he's fully glow in the dark. Couple of scratches. Got it's exclusive. I seen these going from around £30, £40, and nearly 30, in the 20s, but nearly 30. I managed to grab this for only £17 odd. There we go. I know there's like a green spot there, but that probably could come off. It probably could, but that is great. I love it. I love the glow in the dark pops, and he's like his own thing. He's like a Emerald City superhero. He's his own superhero. So this is only gonna be a short video, so drop a like and don't forget to check out my other videos. I made a video for my dog who died the other day, so go and check that out. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to share. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.